we just installed a piece by Carrie Stitt called Pastel Beach, and I'm thrilled with how it turned out. So Andi, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your home?
Hi everyone, I'm Andi, as Artlita said. I grew up here in the South Bay, and when I was looking for a piece of art, which I had no direction which I was going, I noticed this lovely artist, and she had really embraced the beaches in my neighborhood. Manhattan Beach is just down the street, and I grew up here, and it was a definite fit. We're so glad to have found Artlita and followed Artlita since it's come to light, and we're really happy.
Thank you. And this is Lainey. Lainey, tell us what you like about art.
I just feel like it just inspires me, and makes me feel peaceful when I do art.
Yeah. Well, Lainey, thank you so much for joining us on the video. I've seen you admiring the artist since our launch party, and I'm so glad that your mom invested in a piece that you'll get to enjoy here at home.
Us too.
Yeah.
Thanks.